Hi, this is Scott Aughney, Republican candidate for Jackson County Sheriff. I'd like to talk to you for a couple moments about gang-related drug crimes. There's no easy solution when you discuss these type of crimes and the impact they have on our society, especially in the urban areas. But I want to talk about an area where I'd like to explore that potentially we might be able to gain some solutions, but also certainly some direction. And it has to do with the approach that we have in dealing with gang-related drug crimes. The federal and state governments often have a finger in how to address these sort of crimes. And I'm not saying that these are not things that where we shouldn't provide some sort of cooperation with other departments, in many cases with other agencies outside the state of Michigan. But again, I will go to the point that I've emphasized in my campaign. We need to rely on ourselves as much as possible, and that includes how we address solutions or actions related to gang and drug-related crimes. And I believe that working and examining the problems through ourselves, through town halls, through a variety of communications with each other, we may be able to find some solutions and some direction that is not necessarily driven by Washington, D.C. or Lansing or any other agencies outside this area, but something we can derive on our own that we may be able to apply to deal with these problems. And I really would like to explore this. I think it needs to be done. In many cases, when you participate in federal or state programs that are dealing with gang drug-related crimes, usually there are stipulations that go along with it. And I think we need to explore it on our own. We need to talk about it. We need to discuss it. I mean, for many people, it's an easy solution. Don't do drugs. Personally, I think they're terrible. They destroy the mind. And I think the mind, I know for myself, I appreciate my mind and the way it functions. And I think many other people would as well. Addiction is not anything easy to get over, but I think we need to rely on ourselves as much as possible in finding solutions and approaches in dealing with these sort of problems. So I hope down the road, if I'm elected Sheriff of Jackson County, Michigan, that this will be an area that we can approach as a community, as a county community. And certainly it impacts some areas more than others. Certainly the city of Jackson has been impacted by this, but we also know that rural drug crimes are not unheard of in this area. Thank you very much for the opportunity to speak on this. It's a challenging issue, but hopefully we can explore it more down the road. Thank you.